Have you ever pondered upon the idea of earning money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income, a realm where your finances grow without constant supervision. In this era where everyone is hustling, passive income holds significant value for working professionals. It's a financial strategy that allows you to earn round the clock without being actively engaged. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Imagine a life where your income doesn't stop, even when you do. Let's dive into the inspiring story of Miss Sanvi, who achieved financial freedom through passive income. Miss Sanvi, a humble woman from a small town, embarked on her journey with an unwavering resolve to escape the endless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Journey was fraught with challenges, from overcoming skepticism to battling financial uncertainties, but she stood unyielding, armed with her strategies and a keen understanding of money management. She began by investing in dividend-paying stocks, expanded to real and then ventured into online businesses. Her diversified portfolio started to bear fruit, and the results? Well, they were nothing short of astounding. Today, she lives a life unencumbered by financial worries, traveling the world, and pursuing her passions on her own terms. Her transformation was not just about wealth accumulation, but about achieving true freedom. Miss Sanvi's story is a testament to the power of passive income. But how did Miss Sanvi achieve this feat? The secret lies in understanding the power of compounding and setting long-term goals, with guidance of Dr. Maria Pramila. You see, compounding is the process where the value of an investment increases because the earnings on an investment, both capital gains and interest, earn interest as time passes. This exponential growth happens because the total growth of your investment is working together, both the original amount and the accumulated gains year over year. Imagine combining this powerful financial principle with long-term goals. Goals that are not just about immediate gratification, but about securing a comfortable and financially stable future. Miss Sanvi did exactly that. She invested time and resources wisely, kept her long-term vision in sight, and allowed her investments to grow over time through the magic of compounding. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. With the right strategies and long-term goals, you too can achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom is not a dream. It's a journey that requires planning, dedication, and the right guidance. Start your adventure towards financial freedom today. With Dr. Maria Pramila's guidance and support, you'll be well equipped to navigate the path and create your passive income stream. Harness the power of compounding and set your long-term goals. Join the financial freedom revolution. Follow us on social media and join our WhatsApp group for regular updates. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your journey today.